we're going to do warrior 3 pose. Okay, so I'm going to turn to the side so you can see it from the side angle. So I'm just standing into a steady, casual mountain pose to start off with. For this one, there are going to be some variations I'll show you with warrior 3. So first what we want to do is we want to keep our left leg anchored into the mat. So the foot is flat on the mat. The knee cap feels like it's lifting. This is a balance pose and also overall body strengthening. So we're going to start to raise the right leg up as much as you feel comfortable, and make sure that left leg that's on the mat stays down, anchored. You might feel a little bit wobbly, a little shaky because you're not used to it. If that's the best you can do, just stay there and just see and try to keep lifting that back leg up. And your foot that's in the air, just keep that foot relaxed. It's not tensed up. And you want to feel like your lower back is extending and reaching up to the foot in the air. And you can see the front of my body is starting to lean forward. Now from here, I can keep my hands on my hips, okay? And then if I feel like I have a little bit more balance now, so I'm raising my back leg a little more. And this pose with the arms out in front makes things a little bit harder. And now I feel like, whoa, I feel like I'm stretching those arms nice and lengthened and stretched out in front. And just do the best you can and maintain that position and hold it there. And then come back to a steady mountain pose. This is challenging, it is difficult, and it will take you some time to feel the strength in the legs and the balance and the breath all working together. So let's try the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to keep my right foot anchored into the mat, and very slowly, nice and easy, just starting to lift that back leg up. And you can feel your belly, your stomach muscles, navel being pulled in, engaged. My leg on the mat is strong and steady. My gaze is to a point that's comfortable. Just looking on the ground to wherever you can set your gaze. And just work with your breath, work with your energy and your movement. And then from here, I feel like I'm a little bit more anchored. And now let's attempt to bring the arms out in front and just feel like your chest is extending towards the fingertips. And then coming back to center. And I would say try to practice this a few times. So a few times on each leg. And with practice, you'll find that your warrior 3 is getting better and stronger and more balanced.